Okay, folks, so this is an unboxing. Can't do it as I normally do in my office because I do that on my desktop, and it's quite big. This is the Anran HD camera home security system. 4 cameras and network video recorder, NVR. On the side of the box it says HD camera kit, anywhere, anytime surveillance. Simple setup, easy installation, plug and play, no complicated networking required. Remote access has never been easier. Phone remote anywhere. Support Android, iOS, iPad, PC view, live video, record and playback. Viewing HD picture. See every detail in crisp high definition. Enjoy HD video at day or night. Weatherproof, IP67 rated. Available outdoor cameras are designed to withstand severe weather conditions, 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Day and night monitoring, IR cut switch automatically can give you the best visual effect at day and night. Email alarm can set up motion detection area. System will send instant alarm email when movement is detected. On the back, I'll spin it around for you. The specifications, resolution 2048 by 1536, 3 megapixel, 2560 by 1925 megapixel, 4K 8 megapixel, remote viewing, PC, smartphone surveillance, recording mode, motion detection, schedule and full day recording, lens, megapixel, 3.6 mm, day and night, auto ICR, motion detection support, PTZ, their PTZ camera support, on ONVIF support, which is, if you were using a joystick, that's one of the protocols. Video playback, HD playback, network interfaces, 1 RJ45, 10100, so it's not gigabit. USB flash drive, USB hard disk. So you can add an external drive, I'm guessing. So let's open this up, see what you have. This is the unboxing after all. Brand new, first time I'm going in, first time you're seeing it, first time I'm seeing it. If I sound a little stuffed up, I do have a little cold. All right, I'm gonna move this off of here, take the boxes out so you can see them. So here we go. First box, nicely packed. What do we have here? This is a camera. It's got padding inside the box. PTZ camera, very simple. Ethernet connection. Now this is a little different. It does have the slot where when you screw it in, the wire goes down there so it doesn't get pinched. Why I say this is different, the cameras that I've reviewed so far that are PTZ have 2 wires. They have the optional power wire, so in case you decided to use them as non-POE, you could use a regular Ethernet cable to a non-POE device. So now that and then you could use a power adapter to power the camera, right? So if you were, the other cameras allowed non-POE and POE flexibility, but this is a POE kit. So if you were buying it, you would obviously be buying it because you're interested in POE. So that's not a negative. Actually, in this case, because it's POE and that's what I want, I prefer the single cable, because if I look at some of the cameras I have up now that I'm probably going to replace with these cameras, the secondary cable has a cap on it to make sure water doesn't get in, but you have to tie it up and stuff because it's just a dangling second cable. Exact box, so we'll easily say that's camera number 2. Let's open this. Just easy to get at it this way. So in here, I'll show it up. You can see there's an Ethernet cable. That's the network cable to connect to your network. Mounted hardware, wall wart, the brick, power brick with the power cable, and a mouse, and a couple of security stickers and template stickers. So I don't really use these. I put it up against the house exactly as I want and I drill in. But if you want to mark the spot first, there's template stickers. So I'll throw these back in the box. Now I'm not going to empty the box simply because inside the box, I guess I'll lift it up just to show you before I take out the NVR. There are two more, I think you can probably see that. There are two more camera boxes in the bottom here. All right, no point taking them out at this point. But I will take out the main body, right, which is the NVR. This is where all the cameras run back to. This is the one, where all the recording is done. This is the box with the operating system and the ability to view and etc., etc. Let's take this out. Nothing else in there. So what do we have here? We have the NVR, the manual, and a warranty card. Put those aside. Let's take a look at this NVR. Network Video Recorder, right? NVR. All right, so small white box. I don't know, 10 inches by, it's not a square, but it's close to a square. On the front, you've got a little sticker with the model, serial number, and you've got 3 LEDs, alarm, record, and power. Looks like a little speaker that you can hear, when it's up. The bottom vented, the sides vented, but the back here is where everything happens. Power switch, AC, DC adapter port, 2, 4, 6, 8 POE, Ethernet slots with link lights, audio out, VGA, because people still do use VGA monitors for these things, a cheap VGA monitor as opposed to using a more expensive monitors. I prefer to use an HDMI more expensive monitor, so there's HDMI out as well. A LAN port, 2 USB ports. One is for the mouse, and the other one, I believe, as they said, you could attach a HD, an external hard drive. As far as I recall, in the kit, this should have a 2 terabyte drive installed, and I hope it does. If not, I'll have to get a drive, but I believe it comes with a 2 terabyte drive, right? Something that I have to, I guess, confirm once I set it up. So this actually happens to be a manual in English, and this happens to be a manual in Spanish. The warranties at the back, both of them have it, but this one has it. But they're actually almost the same thing, but one's in English and one's not. In the manual, it has things like the QR code for downloading the Anran app. And in here is actually 4 50-foot POE cables. And what I like about these Ethernet cables, they come with the protector, the Ethernet port protector. So that is really great. I've had cameras that didn't come with this connection, but these do. So they'll screw right into, let me take a camera out again. The other end is on here that can screw in. So the cable will connect and screw right into there and lock. So that's it, folks. I'm going to set this up, and then you'll get to see in the rest of the review how it performs and my thoughts about it. The Anran POE security HD camera home security system.